Hi, this is Mary. I'm here at Guaranty. I'd like to show you a Coachmen Beyond. It's a 2020, so let's look inside. Get ready to take some adventures in this unit. This Coachmen Beyond has everything that you need. You've got a nice screen door that will give you ventilation. You do have a wet bath in this unit. In the back is a full queen size bed, so that couch will break down into a sleeping area. You can easily fit 2 people there. The kitchen is very nice. You have storage underneath. You've got cabinets above. You have everything that you need to cook great meals in this unit. Get ready to take some adventures. You do have places for hanging clothes. You've got a fridge and freezer that is oversized. So if you want great adventures, come and look at this van. Thanks for taking a look at this unit with me. If you'd like to come and see it, please give me a call. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.